Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q3 Sport 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Glazier White, short-turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done just over 1,558 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 5 double arm spoke design, making a bold statement wherever you go. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery and the centre armrest for extra comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below you have the dual zone climate control so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees and a 12-volt charging point. This approved used Audi Q3 is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.